Enterprise use of generative AI tools such as ChatGPT and Copilot is accelerating, but it also expands the attack surface, increases data leakage risk, and raises valid compliance concerns for many organizations. Without proper controls, generative AI can surface or transmit sensitive data that should stay protected and never be incorporated into an AI engine's learning pipeline. Beyond security, AI introduces privacy, ethical, and regulatory risk tied to frameworks like HIPAA, GDPR, or PCI. If you don't have strong visibility into the data flowing into AI prompts, organizational readiness gaps can once again put sensitive information at risk. With Microsoft Purview, you can discover, classify, protect sensitive data across your environment, and enforce policies that govern how that data is exposed to AI. Once you have a solid understanding of your data estate, it becomes much easier to introduce AI technologies into the organization without adding unnecessary risk. Microsoft Purview provides discovery and classification to flag sensitive data before it's exposed to AI, and provides protection and labeling to strictly control AI access. Also, lifecycle management to keep data accurate and compliant. DSPM builds on this by mapping sensitive data across your estate and surfacing risky AI usage patterns, giving you a governance layer specifically tuned for generative AI. We've got insider risk monitoring or insider risk management, as it is listed in the solution set. We have Compliance Manager, which can align AI data governance to a variety of different frameworks, depending on the industry. Microsoft Purview is a very comprehensive solution set. The best approach is to take Purview in a very modular way and focus first on those solutions within the solution set that delivers the most value to your organization. From a technical perspective, tackling the whole Purview stack at once is challenging and can certainly feel overwhelming. For many organizations, an effective AI strategy begins with understanding your regulatory and compliance obligations and how they relate to the discovery and protection of sensitive data in your environment. Purview offers end-to-end services around AI adoption, partnering with you across your AI journey to help you plan, implement, and govern AI in a secure, compliant, and sustainable way. This can range from security and AI adoption readiness assessments, including Microsoft 365 baseline reviews, to more hands-on technical work. We can deliver Microsoft-sponsored Purview workshops and Purview starter kits tailored to your environment. Then go deeper with customized implementations, building out additional data loss prevention policies inside of Purview, building out insider risk management controls, and configuring data security posture management for AI. The goal is to tune those capabilities so you're confident in your AI adoption and readiness, instead of just turning features on without fully understanding the risk. So having a very prescribed workflow that we can provide with these services will really help you to take that regimented or modular approach and can ensure success as you adopt AI into the environment. For more information, visit averdium.com to learn more about these services and how we can support your AI journey.